Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another makeup tutorial. So I decided to do a kind of summery, bronzy, gold, goddessy kind of makeup look. So this is how everything turned out. A really good kind of classic bronze look. So if you'd like to know how I created this look, then be sure to give the video a thumbs up and just keep watching. When I just think of bronze eyeshadow, I always think of the Colourpop I Think I Love You palette. It's just like the ultimate bronze palette that I have, and I just always go to it when I want to do a bronze look. So that's the eye look that I'm going to go for today. I've added something on top of the lid as well, so I'm just going to show you how to do this look first and then we'll move on to the face then. I'm just going to take this shade right here and just pop that into the crease. I'm going to take this warm brown down here and then just do the same and just apply it in the crease. I'm going to cut the lid with some concealer, but I'm just going to take it just to about here. So I'm just going to take the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in medium 30. And just take that on the brush. Cut creases, I just apply it there and then I just kind of look up and just blink, and then you kind of have that cut crease line and it kind of maps it out for you. Just use that line as a guide. Whilst it's drying, I usually just kind of outline the cut crease like around the concealer. It gives a bit more definition. For all over the lid, I'm going to take this shade from the top row of the palette. I'm just going to apply it all over that concealer with my finger. I usually just pat it on like that. I don't need to wet these eyeshadows. I find that just patting them on with your finger does the job. Just with my finger, and then I'll just take a brush, kind of clean up the edges. I find that just using the brush does it just fine. I'm gonna outline with the crease shades one more time. Okay, and then just for all over the lid, just to get like a little bit of a shimmery look like this one, I'm going to take the Colourpop Supernova shadow and it's in the shade Walk of Fame. I'm just going to take the black from the palette and just kind of stamp this in the outer corner and kind of mimic like a tiny wing. Blend it in to the brown. Just apply some of the Kiko Extra Sculpt mascara. Primer, I'm going to take the Autograph Luminosity Radiant Primer. And for foundation, I'm going to mix one foundation and something else. The Natural Radiant Longwear foundation in Barcelona. And then I'm going to add in maybe like 2 of the Cover FX drops, shade Moonlight. So I'm just going to mix these 2 on a little dish and apply that. Blend it all in with the Sport FX sponge. I really love this. I just feel like it blends so much quicker than like my Eco Tools sponge that I usually use. This was really affordable. It was like £4 or £5 as well. So yeah, if you're in Sports Direct, grab one of these. And for concealer, I'm going to take the e.l.f. Maximum Coverage Concealer, and I've got the shade Beige in this one. On this Nabla concealer, no, awful. Well, it's not awful, but I tried it again yesterday and the day before, So I think I've tried it 4 times now since that video that I tested it in. No. No. I really don't like it. It's so bad. Like, it doesn't blend out nicely and it looks so drying. I can't deal with it. Like I just said, I'm gonna take the Nabla loose powder. And yeah, it still doesn't come out of the cap messy. It's a messy powder, but I like the actual product, so I don't mind. Finish the eyeshadow off and I'm just gonna pop the 2 crease shades I use, so this brown here and this one, and I'm just going to smoke them under the lash line and then maybe just apply some of the black in the outer corner. And for highlight, I'm going to take the ultimate bronze highlight that you could ever pick. So I chose the Jefree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in King Tut. This is one of my favourite highlights. I love it. We're going to take King Tut as the brow bone highlight and pop some in the inner corner as well. Then to contour, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild contouring palette, and this one is in the shade Dulce de Leche. And to bronze up a tiny bit more, I'm going to take the Too Faced Chocolate Gold bronzer. So this is more of a kind of shimmery bronzer. It's not like it's not got glitter in it, it's like a nice sheen on the skin. I feel like for this look, I feel like blush isn't necessary, but if you did want to add a nice blush, I feel like one that ties this whole kind of look together is from the NYX blush palette, and I really like this kind of nude shade, and I put a bit of the orange mixed like in with it, just very lightly. My favourite like summer products ever at the minute, like this year, has been the Body Shop Rose Dewy Glow Face Mist. So this I only kind of spray on both sides, kind of where my highlight is, and give it a good shake. But lip liner, I'm going to take the LA Girl Perfect Precision Lip Liner in the shade Cafe. The Dose of Colours More Creamer Please lipstick. I'm sorry I have to use this. It was like the perfect nude that I would always use when doing any kind of bronzed look, because it's just like the perfect peachy brown nude. But it's like limited edition and you can't get it anywhere, so I'm sorry. And that is the end of the video, guys, so thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. I'm kind of obsessed how this came out. This is going to be like a new found night out look that I'm going to be going for, so if you did enjoy this makeup tutorial then be sure to give the video a thumbs up and also make sure that you are subscribed as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!